Today we get to do one of my favorite style videos. I get to show you something and play with something completely new, something the world has never seen before. Got a package from my buddies over at KP Pigments, and inside was this little guy. This is ZHR prototype. This is a new hybrid HyperShift prototype that they just made. No one's ever sprayed this on a car. We were supposed to spray a small sample, but like usual, we're going straight to full scale. Now, if you remember the ZHB hybrid HyperShift that we tried several months back, which is now a very popular pearl, the hybrid HyperShifts are the only ones in the world that utilize the technology of both a color powdered HyperShift and an interference style HyperShift. So you get that coverage, the saturation, the sparkle, the transparency. It goes freaking nuts. Now I'm gonna go right off the bat and say this one scares me, specifically because it's so dark and unassuming. Let's check to see what the powder shows. See, not that much, right? It's like rosy, pinkish, but there are hues of like, is that a green or a gold?
It's a gold greenish, yeah.
What are you expecting from this?
I have no expectations.
You have no idea? I love stuff like that. Okay, so this is a 25-gram bag. 12.5 grams per gallon is probably a pretty safe bet, right? So let's see what we get in liquid form, because that usually will show us a little bit more.
I had some weird color just pop out there.
Yeah. As soon as it hit the liquid, it kind of came alive a little bit. Okay.
Weird.
Let's see. It's dense. It doesn't want to break up. See, this is all, okay. This is one of those ones where the top of the gallon and the side look completely different. I'm getting like this deep rosy red from my angle here, and the top is like almost like a burnt ember or copper.
Yeah, I see kind of like this rosy red to a copperish gold and then a green out of nowhere.
You're getting green? Let's see what Stick of Truth says. See, it's gonna be very rosy. Wow, yeah, okay, hold on. See, I'm gonna ruin this video, but I'm gonna show you guys something. From my angle, I'm getting this and this. This. See, that's absolutely nuts. I cannot wait to spray this stuff. Are you ready?
Oh yeah.
Let's go. All right, guys, we are all done with today's project, and if I learned anything on this one, it is that you cannot judge the way a pearl is gonna look just by checking out the powder in the bag. Earlier this week, I was passing around this prototype bag, and everyone who checked it out was basically like, this is just gonna be another rose gold. I even posted it on the YouTube community tab. A lot of people expected a rose gold, and this thing doesn't even look close to a rose gold. So I'm gonna take it outside right now, and you know what to do. Take a good look at it, leave a comment below, and rate this color for me 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you hate it. And more importantly, it's just a prototype. It's not even on the market yet. So leave a comment and let me know, is this one worth bringing to market? If you want to dip your own emblems, your own wheels, your own car, all of our DIY friendly kits are in one place for you right here. Gabe and I had a ton of fun in this project. We love testing out new stuff. I hope you had fun watching it, and we'll see you on the next one.